16 inches by 42 inches big rubber running belt. High-quality steel frame. Hold people up to 220 pounds. Foldable design with built-in transport wheels for easy transport and storage. Considerable hidden iPad and a mobile phone holder. 0.6 to 7.5 miles per hour adjustable speed levels. 11-inch LED control panel. Heart rate monitoring by heart rate belt to help keep you achieving your goals. Easily connect Treadmill to your phone through app function. 99 kinds of optional automatic systems modes.